How to see liked videos on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. If you simply go to your Discover button and then like any of the snaps, or simply go to Discover page, and if you like any of the videos, you will find it on your profile. Click on your profile at the top left. Then scroll down in your profile. At the bottom, you will find this kind of screen pop up: Spotlight, Favorites, and Repost. In here, you will find all your liked videos of Snapchat. You can simply tap on the video and you'll be able to see the video again. This is how to see liked videos on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.